Make a great choice today with the 2020 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, tires front all season, front disc rear drum brakes, tires rear all season. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.